raadio.tre.ee.
Läheb hästi, kuidas sinul läheb?
Normaalne. No ma olen väga hästi.
So you have learned Estonian language a lot, I heard, yeah?
I'm a professional. I'm giving classes now, so you can call me if you need some help. You know, I can teach you a lot of words like purjus and important things. You know, väga ilusa tüdrukud, minu arm.
Okay, so you are the really Estonian philolog already, but
Of course.
what plans you have with this Eurovision thing? Maybe we can little bit speak about this.
Plans? No, only win Eurovision for Estonia.
Yeah,
That's only my plan. Very easy.
We were thinking same, so Elma ja Neesaga teeme siis täna pikemalt juttu kindlasti hiljem, aga Eurovisioonile on ta minemas lugu Kes ei tantsi on politsei.
Mis toimub, guacho? Kes ei tantsi on politsei. 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 Escucha cómo suena y mira cómo sigue, papá. Te la tiro de toque. Dale davai kumaks kisub siin seda pidi karsari see keegi see on suurem kõiges mida ette kujutad seda laulu laulab kogu su brigaad ja pole mõtet fakti eitada et suude ihaldamisel ajal Lenar Meri taevas mu soundi kritiseaks ja kogu Eesti sama tegema peaks jaskonnas politjalgu pidama ei saa Konstaabel Kukk see viib sekretäriga tantsukune on kohal tõmbab kassa terve maa nii et haga enda pepud liigutama mis sul viia on esto es un clásico directo pa' Eurovisión el que no baila guacho es un policía rata cobarde ortiva y como sigue 3 mis toimub Kes ei tantsi Kes ei tantsi on politsei 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 Suur aitäh, papa y nos vamos dedicate to White Void. This is to White Void, the next song that's coming soon.
Okay, Tre Raadio.
Esta fiesta empieza, de a poquito nos ponemos la cabeza. Aquí llegó el Didi Mayonesa, el que te pone el culo arriba de la mesa con todas las minitas preciosas de Estonia. Guacho, la verdad que este país es otra cosa, dale acércate, tú le decía, aprovechame que no estoy todos los días, ¡Boom!
Whoa. Hello, Elma and Nessa. How are you doing?
Hello, Don, how are you doing, man?
I'm fantastic as usual. You?
Normal. No, ma olen väga hästi.
Oh, good.
In the Tre house.
Yeah.
I love this place. I know this place. So, respect this place.
Yeah. Thanks. And of course, we always love to have you here. But let's talk about that song you just sang, Kes ei tantsi on politsei. How...
It's spicy, you know?
Yeah, I know, it's a very good song. I personally very much like it. And as you can see, most of Estonian listeners who listen Tre Radio like it too. So, well, where did you get that idea to make such a song?
You know, it's very easy. Politsei, I don't like politsei. And it's a very international code. If you don't dance, you are politsei, man. It's like that, man. I think politsei means like stop of something funny, something good, something that you are enjoying. For me, that's a policeman. I don't have, but there are a lot of people that have a police inside there. Well, I think all the people who have like a restriction and a lot of things, no, don't do that. No, you have a politsei heart, you know. So this song I make is dedicated to all the people that go to the parties and don't enjoy the party, you know. You are in a party, purjus, tudruk, having fun, and you will always see some people that are not dancing, man. live your life,
Yeah.
enjoy the moment, and boom. That's my philosophy of life, and you can see it in all the songs. I'm trying to say that, man. You know that to touch the people with that, man. Enjoy your life, do what you want to do, be yourself. Boom.
Yeah, I know that Southern American people are very, how to say, rhythmic. You love to dance.
Yes. You also when like you're like how you are like more enthusiastic all the time. You know, maybe here people is more quiet, more like
Reserved.
in the reserve. Yes, reserve. That's a thing I think is where the place that you grow up and things that get influence in you. So, boom.
okei, ma nüüd vahepeal tõlgin ka, et siis Elma Nessa selle loo tegi sellepärast, et talle siis konkreetselt endale ei meeldi politsei ja sellised inimesed, kes lähevad peole ja ei tantsi siis, et istuvad kuskil nurgas ja vaatavad sellise pooltigeda näoga. Et laulu põhimõte ongi siis selline, et minge peole, nautige enda elu, katsuge enda, kuidas see oligi, sisemist rütmi nagu leida ja et ärge külastage seda politsei südant siis nii-öelda. Et tantsige, nautige pidu ja kõike muud head, mis on siin maailmas olemas. Ja et siis Lõuna-Ameerika inimesed ongi sellised väga rütmikad ja tantsulised inimesed ja üldse kuidagi rohkem nagu elavad siis pidudel niimoodi aktiivsemalt kaasa. Yeah. So that Euro Song Contest, you afraid to lose or something like that? Okay, obviously you're gonna win.
No, if I'm not scared of nothing. So I'm enjoying this moment, man. What happened would be great. Being here in this contest, amazing, man. I come this summer to make a tour, and look, I'm finishing the Estilao, man. So for me, what happened would be great. For me, it's perfect. So, but I really think that this is another thing, you know. There are all the songs, and my song is all people know that it's like different because it's like it's really no music for Eurovision and that, but I really think that the song reflect like something that is happening now because I'm not the only one foreigner living here. It's something that is happening in Estonia. A lot of people that come here and how the people is very wide open to another things, and I think that is some kind of like social phenomenon, you know. A guy come from another place and boom, you're in the Estilao.
Yeah.
You share what you do, your artist, your art, your music. So I think that is very positive in all of ways to give like more color to the contest. Not the same songs all year, Marmas, Tachin, blah. Come on, man, this is real, man. If you don't dance, you are a politsei for sure.
Word, jah. Aga siis Emma rääkis, et ta ei karda siis seda värki, et ta ei karda mitte midagi, kui aus olla. Et selle looga siis oli selline märk, et no tõesti, et ta tuli eelmine suvi siis Eestisse, et teha väike suvetuur ja siis, ja nagu näha nüüd, laulab Eesti eest. No mitte veel ei laula, aga konkureerib sinna, et Eesti eest lauda Eurovisioonil, nii et järelikult tõesti, absoluutselt kõik on võimalik, kui sa väga tahad seda. Õpetus siis kõigile meie kuulajatel ka. But after the Eesti Laul contest, what are your other plans? New songs, album?
Yes, I have a lot of songs in mind, and I'm starting to. They are already started, obviously in Estikel, and then I'm organizing my next tour because the next on May I will start a tour from Paris, and I will finish here in July in Estonia, and then in August we'll go to Scandinavia, and then in September I will go to South America. I start from Colombia to my hometown, to Mendoza, Argentina. So I will make like a world tour, man.
Okay, that's very ambitious of you.
No, but it's not difficult nowadays, man. I have friends in every place, and I have a lot of contacts, and during this year that I'm living here in Europe, I made a lot of contacts, and so, you know, and I made the tour in my way, you know, it's more freestyle, and so that's the next step, and I will stay in Argentina, the summer of Argentina, all the January, February, March and April we're doing a new album, but in Spanish.
Okay.
Because also the people there, they say me, hey, what's up, man? You sell yourself. Now you are Estonia. Make a song for the people here. Okay. Oota, I'm working a little bit. So, you know.
Okei, nii et mais on siis Elman Essal uus tuur plaanis Pariisist Eestisse. Juuli lõpuks jõuab see Eestisse, sealt läheb edasi Skandinaaviasse ja sealt siis tõmbab otsa Ameerikasse, alustab Kolumbiast ja siis lõpetab enda kodulinnas siis Argentiinas täpsemalt. Ja seal siis hakkab vaikselt enda uue albumi kallal nokitsema, seda siis juba hispaania keeles. But, so, how long are you staying now in Estonia? In the end of July, August, September, something?
Yeah, no, I'm staying straight, yes, because I'm working a lot here and doing a lot of things, so
why not?
Yes, why not, man? No, I'm enjoying the snow, doing breakdance in the snow,
Yeah.
falling in the snow, so yes, baga hey, I mean.
You're like a real Estonian already, falling and breaking in
Yes,
the snow.
falling, breaking my nose. I think that it can be a very national sport, the ice breakdance.
Yeah, I'll try that.
Maybe I
Not
no,
very good, not very
no.
good. Okay, you have anything to say to our listeners and all the other people in Estonia?
Yes, the first live of Kesitancion Politsei for the Estilau contest will be the January 20 in the television, in Televisión in the morning program, in ETV.
You gonna perform there?
I will perform there.
But do you know when is the first show about on air that is where you can vote for your song?
Yes, the official show will be 12th of February.
12th of
That you record in the studio and everything. So that will be the official show, and we are preparing a boom show. Would be like a sound system with dancers, with very good people, with stars of the scene. So it will be amazing.
Okay.
For sure, will be another thing.
Okay, very good to know. But let's wrap this thing up here and tore, et kuulasite ja Elman Essa siis ütleb, et 20. jaanuar on siis Terevisioonis tema enda lugu esitlemas ja väiksel intervjuul ka ilmselt. Ja 12. veebruar on siis võimalus teil helistada ja hääletada Elman Essa poolt, kui tahate, et tema siis läheks Eurovisioonile Eestit esindama. But thank you, Elman Essa.
Ole tänu Verdon, suur aitäh for everything and meile uuesti. Headest Paavula piive.
Okei, Tre Raadio soovi saada endiselt jätkamas, kohe tulemas siia DJ Chika ka ja siis hakkame teie tervitusi ja soovilugusid endiselt edasi võtma ja meil on tänaseks siis teema ka välja mõeldud, mille me avaldame natuke pärast, aga praegu lähme kuulame siis muusikat Tre Raadios soovi saates.